right, so let's talk about putting your money to work so you no longer have to. If you're investing any type of money, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, CDs, T-bills, you know a majority of those, the returns that you're getting are next to nothing. I mean, think about T-bills, think about bonds. They're very safe, extremely safe, but they have very freaking low returns. Now, flip side, let's look at mutual funds or stocks. Stock market, when it's going up, it's going up. But guess what happens? When it goes up, it crashes and comes down. The volatility of the stock market going up and down just doesn't sit well with a lot of people, especially those in their mid to late 40s and greater, because they just don't want to see their portfolio shrink to a point where it's lower than when they first started. So the volatility of the stock market sucks. Mutual funds. Now, mutual fund, I'm chewing on a piece of gum, it's stuck in my teeth. Mutual funds are, they're a great investment and they have decent returns. However, if you really look at the fine print, you're gonna realize that the amount of money your fund manager is charging you, if they say you're making an 8 or 10% return, I'm guaranteeing you, when you read the fine print, after you pay your fees and your management fees and your trading fees, you're gonna be earning 4 to 5, maybe 5.5%. There's an alternative to this. It's called private note investing. It's an alternative asset class that you can put your money in with investors like myself who have a large portfolio of properties that they're constantly bringing in. We renovate and then we either put into our rental portfolio or we flip for cash. If you want to learn on how you could put your money to work, go to lowriskmaxreturns.com. That's low risk max returns. On there, there's 6 videos that are going to explain to you the differences between this alternative asset class and versus stocks, bonds, mutual funds, CDs, T-bills. It's also, you're going to have a 52-page white paper that you can download that's going to give you it's going to basically answer every question you're going to have about private note investing, how to protect yourself, how to minimize your risk, the proper paperwork that you need to get. So if you're interested, this is no cost, no obligation, no nothing. It costs you zero. The paper is meant to educate, as are the videos. Go to Low Risk Max Returns, log in, read the paperwork. If you're interested in having a conversation, hit me. If not, I hope you get an education on what private note investing could do for you. This alternative asset class is creating a lot of wealth for a lot of people, and you don't need a lot to get started. With a minimum of $50,000, you can get into the real estate investing game with little to no risk and extremely high upside. I hope you log in, watch those videos, and then read that white paper. Until the next time.